In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a social network in Hootsuite. Whether you're managing personal profiles or handling business accounts, this guide will help you seamlessly integrate your favorite social network into Hootsuite's platform, allowing you to manage your posts more efficiently. To begin, you'll first need to log into your Hootsuite account. Open your preferred web browser and head over to Hootsuite's official website. Enter your login credentials and sign in. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Hootsuite dashboard, ready to start connecting your social networks. Now, take a look over at the left-hand sidebar, scroll down to the bottom where you'll see your profile picture, click directly on your profile picture. This action will open up a menu where you can manage various account settings. From this menu, select Social Accounts and Teams. This option is specifically designed to allow users to manage their social networks and the teams they work with, making it a vital step for integrating a new account. Next, depending on whether you're connecting a personal or business account, you have two slightly different options. If you're linking up a personal profile, you'll want to click on the plus private account button. But if you're working with a business account, you should click on Manage, followed by Add a Social Network. This distinction is key to ensuring you add the correct type of account. Once you've done this, you'll be presented with a list of social networks to choose from. This includes popular platforms like Facebook, Instagram, X, formerly known as Twitter, LinkedIn, Pinterest, TikTok, YouTube, and others that are available. Carefully select the social network you wish to add. Upon selection, you'll be redirected to that network's login page. This step is crucial as it's necessary to ensure that Hootsuite can authenticate with your social network account properly. Now, log into the social media account you're aiming to connect. Use your usual credentials here, nothing different from what you normally input. As with any third-party integration, you will need to grant the appropriate permissions. Allow Hootsuite to manage your posts, check your analytics, and whatever else might be required. These permissions enable Hootsuite to function as a management tool across your social network seamlessly. After you've authorized the application, you'll be redirected back to Hootsuite automatically. At this stage, you'll find that the social network has been successfully added to your Hootsuite dashboard. The integration is now complete, and you are ready to start scheduling content, monitoring activity, and checking your analytics. Thank you for watching. Adding a social network in Hootsuite really opens up possibilities for easier management and streamlined operations across your social media presence. Be sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more tips and tutorials.